because we're collecting gratitude, we're collecting thank
by fire, by force.
That's what I'm sadly again, maybe I will be controversial for this Ngalendo. And also you don't really find it in the scriptures. In the Bible, to honor those who are preaching the word and give them double honor. It talks nothing much about money and how much of you ought to give to them. And it says honor them. It talks nothing of a selected date where you have to, honor on this day, the appreciation on this day, the gratitude day. We are grateful to God and we are grateful to the bishop. It's supposed to be something that we are grateful right throughout the year to God. And every time we present something nice, we're supposed to respond a gift to the man of God that is encouraging you. Every time to as a person, so that uqokelele imali nami uqokelele nami ndifuna nami xa kuthiwa ingxowa yabantu baseBluewater mayingene nami ndiyongenisa kodwa inhliziyo yami ithi benzezayidinga ke le mali ngeqa but ke ngoku andikwazi ungayikhuphi because izawuba ngathi andingowa lapha kwecawa. And anyway umfundisi naye uzawuba nee-remarks ndazithethayo xa ndingayikhupha ngase xa ndiyikhuphile ndiyazi uba nam ndingumntu wale mcawa ndibhilonga kule cawa. So uyayibona ke ngokubana it was supposed to be a personal thing. I'm supposed to be personal. Cheerful giver from the bottom of my heart because of what this is a quick gift as a pastor, not because who to our gift, a command. But unfortunately, the church has been